Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Recipes by Malaika. So guys, today we are making an amazing breakfast and a very quick and easy step. So let's start the recipe. You have to watch from start till end so that you will understand how to make it. First of all, you have to cut the onion into pieces. You can see how much pieces you have to cut it. So you have to follow same as it is that I am doing. And then you have to cut the tomatoes into pieces. The pieces should be normal pieces, not that much of big or not that much small. So you can use 2 or 3 tomatoes. So if you like too much tomatoes, you can use 3, but if you have not that much, so you can use 2 tomatoes. And then you have to cut into pieces garlic. You can see how I am cutting, same as it is you have to cut. And then you have to cut chilies and half of a big chili. And also same as it is that cut it the tomatoes, onions, same as it is you have to cut the chilies also. Okay, so almost we have done the cutting. So now we will cut a little bit of garlic. You can see how much pieces I have take. So same as it is you have to take and cut it into small pieces. And it will make the taste blasting. So you have to use garlic must and just cut it into small pieces. Okay, and now we have to make our pan heated and some onion on it and let it be brownish, and also some garlic that we have cut it before. You have to put it in this. Okay, now let it be till it become brownish, you can see. And then tomatoes that we have cut it, and chilies and garlic, and let it be so it will become fry and soft also. And you can put a little bit of salt. Okay, so let it till almost 8 to 10 minutes, so it will become fry. And then now we will cut some coriander, because coriander is also a designing thing and also make the dish tasty. So cut it in like this, same like I am doing. Now we can see our tomatoes is almost ready. And now smash it, because when you smash it, it will become more tastier, because all the products we have used, it will be dissolved. And a little bit of black pepper. And now the main thing is start. You have to lay the eggs on the upper surface of the tomatoes. You can see how am I doing. A little bit of salt for eggs. And now we will use our coriander that we have cut it, and then let it till 5 to 6-7 minutes. You can see how it become, and it's amazing, trust me, we loved it. And a little bit of dried mint because it smell very good. And now you can see how tasty it is. So must try it and give me reviews in the comment. Save the video. Inshallah you will like it.